What's up, guys? In this video, I want to talk about structs, which is short for structure, and basically how they're used. Um, this is basically similar to if I was like creating a class in another language, object-oriented programming. So this basically is what I'll be doing here, like structure. So first, we want to use something called typedef, which is short for type define, and then the keyword struct. Now inside of here is where I actually want to pass in a few members. Now they're called members, but they're really just variables. So we'll do int make, not make and for int, but character make. That'll be an array. And I'll just put 30 characters in there. Now I can do another one, int year is equal, or just not equal to anything, but just defining it. Now what do you think I'm about to do with this? Like, what do you think I'm gonna do for this? So I'm gonna make a car structure. So basically, this here is going to be the make of the car and then the year. So let's say we want to print out like a new Chevy or something like that. So you know, I'm obviously I'm in Michigan. Chevy's like like what was their slogan? I mean, this is an advertisement though, so never mind. But I'll just say car car one like that because this is a type now. We defined the structure or a type. This is similar to if we did int double character bool, just any type of type. So it's car this time. And so what we want to do is we want to set some values. So in order to actually copy a string over, we actually need to bring in that string library. So up here, let's actually say include string.h because an array of characters is basically a string. So what we want to do here is string copy. You can see it there, string copy. You see all the other ones here. We got string compare and all these other ones, string concatenate, which just adds strings, join strings together. String compare just compares the strings. We're going to use string copy because we want to copy the data from one into the other. And so what we're going to do, you see this pops up. This is the string that we want to copy it to. So we're going to say car1. And in order to access a member, we have to either use pointer syntax like this, or you can just use a dot like that. And so that's the way I'm going to do it. And then the actual string we want to copy, and I'm just going to say Chevrolet. And then I also want to say car1 dot year. I'm just going to say we want the latest and the greatest, so I'm going to just say 2020. It might be 2021 now that they came out. They usually, okay, never mind. I'll say 2020. And I just want to print this, so I'm just going to say print F. The make is %s for string. It's an array of characters. And the year is %d for integer or I. And then we can do car1 dot make car1 dot year. And if we run this, make is Chevrolet and the year is 2020. So that's the intro on the structures. Basically, this is your type that you're defining here, so that you can actually create an object, which is basically has these members here. You can put whatever you want in here, and you can make as many of these as you want. I can make another one right below that for a different type. You can make as many variables as you want with this. So I can say car1, car2, car3, so on and so forth. So you can do that as well. I know this looks like Carl, but this is the one there. So basically, that's how you do that. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave them in the comment section. And see you later.